Assalamualaikum friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the topic fillet and chamfer. We are going to discuss one by one here. Inside the fillet we have 4 types: constant fillet, variable fillet, face to face fillet and round fillet. Let's move on software. Go to the file and click a new part and click OK. Select a plane which you want to sketch and make it to the normal view. Here I am creating a basic part by using extrusion for applying the features such as fillet and chamfer. So I just draw the close to profile and extrude it here by using a line command. After drawing the close profile, you have to just click OK, exit the sketch, go to the feature, select extrude boss or base and select our corresponding closed profile. Give the amount of thickness to be added here approximately. After that we are going to use the options fillet and chamfer. We have to apply the fillet and chamfer at the sharp edges. Here we have all the sharp edges, we can apply it anywhere. First type in the fillet is constant fillet. In a constant fillet we have to apply the only one radius constantly. Go to the features, select a fillet, inside the fillet we have to select a constant fillet, select a constant size fillet and select our corresponding edge. And specify the amount of radius for the fillet. And just click OK. You can apply the color for the fillet for better visualization. After that we are going to discuss about second type of fillet. So go to the fillet. Inside the fillet we have a second type, variable size fillet. So select a variable size fillet and select our corresponding edge. Here we are going to apply the more than one radius value for the fillet. So just scroll down the dialog box and select the option set unassigned. After selecting unassigned, you have to change the radius value at point to point. Now I am give the radius value two different values at one point and another point. I specify the radius value one end as a 5 mm and other end as a 15 mm. Just click OK. You can apply the color for the fillet for better visualization and understanding. After that we are going to discuss about third type of fillet. Third type of fillet is nothing but it's face to face fillet. We have to select two faces as reference for creating a fillet. Go to the software. Inside the fillet option we have here third type, face to face fillet. Select a face to face. In your first tab we have to select a one face. In a second tab we have to select another face. The fillet will be added in between the two faces. You can also specify the amount of radius value for the fillet as per your requirement. I specified the 25 mm and click OK. The fillet will be added here. You can change the color for better visualization. After that we have a last type of fillet such as a full round fillet. So go to the fillet and select a last type full round fillet. Here we have a 3 tabs. In your first tab we have to select a side face. In your second tab we have to select a center face. In your third tab we have to select a side face, which is opposite to first one. Here we cannot able to give the radius value for fillet. It will be assumed automatically. Then click OK. Now the full round fillet is created here. You can apply the different color for good look. After that we are going to discuss about chamfering. Chamfering is also applied to edges. Chamfer is defined by using the angle and distance as per the requirement. So go to the chamfer inside the fillet option, select a chamfer. First we have to select any one of the edges. After selecting edges, you have to specify the values in terms of angle and distance or distance and distance. You can also choose any one. If you choose distance, you have to specify the two values of distance here. If you choose angle and distance, you can specify a one in distance and angle distance. You can also apply the color for good look. After applying the color for a chamfer, we have to move for another type of chamfer. So give the color and click OK. Again you have to go inside the chamfer. Here we have a third type as vertex chamfer. You have to select any one end of the vertex. You need not to select the edges here. You need to select a vertex point in a 3D object. You can specify the distance for a vertex chamfer as per your requirement. You can give the color for vertex chamfer here. Thanks for watching.